If you think you've ruptured your Achilles, you have probably heard a pop and felt something go. Now there are three things to look at, and you can try and diagnose this yourself. However, it is essential that you see a medical professional as soon as possible. The first thing to look for is the angle of the dangle. So with the foot off the end of the bed, you can see that the toes are slightly pointed. If you've ruptured your Achilles, you lose the tension in your calf, and what you'll see compared to the other side is that you lose the pointing of the toes and the toes lift up a little bit. The second thing is to run your finger along the tendon. Now, if you've ruptured your Achilles, you will feel a dip in the tendon. And the third thing is called a Thompson test, and that's when you squeeze the calf, and if your Achilles is intact, then you will see the toes point. But if you've ruptured your Achilles, then when you squeeze here, you won't see the toes point so much. But just to reiterate, if you think you've ruptured your Achilles, you must seek medical attention as soon as possible.